Hey guys, it's Chris. So today's vlog is going to be footage from our 6th year anniversary trip. So this year, in 2021, we went to Nevada, Arizona, and Utah. We visited some of the national parks there. Originally, this footage was just supposed to be for us, so just keep that in mind as you're watching. You know, we like to make little home videos and look back on them, but I thought this might be nice to share. If you guys have been to any of these places or want to go, comment down below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye! I'll set up my, well, you do the video and I'll set up my iPhone for the picture.
Say
How
hey.
do you do it?
Say cheese. Oh, whoa. I'm glad I can't see. I'm glad I can't see. Good. Oh man. We are passing the
Oh, we're passing the Hoover Dam. Yeah, I can see it's on that thing. I guess it's over there.
Good thing you can't see it.
Good thing I can't see it. Yeah, because I do not like that. Alright, so it is morning, day 2. We are, what time is it? It is, of course I won't show up. It's like 3:30, 3:40, and we're getting ready to go to the Grand Canyon. We stayed at a Home 2 Suite, so here's a quick little...
It's our anniversary.
It is our anniversary, yeah. It's our 6-year anniversary. How does it feel? 6 years.
It feels good.
Yeah, it feels good. It was a little rocky at first, but now it feels good. But this was our hotel room. Got a nice little bathroom area, a little kitchenette. We booked this on Expedia. Got like a refrigerator, microwave, dishwasher, sink. So we went to Walmart last night and got some stuff. Actually, we got some gallons of water to bring with us today because the water here tastes a little funky. Got some grapes, some yogurt, and an apple. But we're about to pack up and head out because the drive to the Grand Canyon is like almost 3 hours. So hopefully we'll get there by 7. I know the biking opens at 7, so I want to bike today. That's the best way to see the Grand Canyon, I think, or, you know, get the most bang for your buck in terms of time.
All right, y'all. We're here at the Grand Canyon. Any words you want to say?
Oh, no.
She has no words, y'all.
No words. I want to go back out real quick and do a picture, though.
We'll come back. When we leave here, we'll
We
take
might as
the
well
pic.
do it now while there's like not a lot of people here, though, you know? Oh, we're facing the same station.
Y'all see how she does me.
We can turn it off now.
Future Chris and future Emmanuel.
Turn it off.
Y'all see how she do me?
Turn it off.
So we're almost at the Grand Canyon, y'all.
We are at the Grand Canyon.
We're at the almost where we're about to start walking in the Grand Canyon. She mad. You got something you want to say? Okay, so we see big old mooses.
Mooses. Moose eye.
Hold on, let me zoom in, y'all.
Can y'all move, baby?
Maybe. Maybe a little big one. Is that a moose? Hey.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa, she's...
Grand Canyon. Shut up.
But we're gonna look back at this 60 years from now, watching these videos. And then I'm gonna be like, you remember before we got there, you was mad?
You know.
You knew what you was even mad for? Yeah, because you was probably being annoying, man. It was.
I was on my phone. Future Emmanuel, I was on my phone.
Just get off your phone.
Just get off your phone.
Dang your feet, sit down.
You know, I'll dangle some. I'll dangle some.
Go ahead. See? You got to scoot, yeah.
Looking crazy, Chris. Alright, that's enough now. Come on now. You're doing too much. You gonna really fall.
No.
You look like you taking a dump. Hey you guys, it's Emmanuel and
Chris.
We just left the
Grand Canyon.
Grand Canyon.
We are headed out.
We walked the whole rim trail, or most of it. Half of it. Half of it.
There's a certain section.
We walked half of it because the other half was going to the Yaki.
That's where we're heading, the Yaki Point, I think. Yeah, but
we got some good pictures.
We got great pictures and video. It was fun, and we got almost all of our steps in for the day. I'm at over 10,000 steps.
I don't even know how many steps I went over, or I walked.
Yeah, but we
what is this?
I don't know. Looks like there might be
Maybe some moose.
Oh look!
Oh yeah! Wow! Look at that! Look at
those!
Y'all see the vibes.
Bye, Grand Canyon kitties.
But yeah, it's been fun. Know where we're headed now.
We gotta decide.
Yep. So. No, I'm not sleepy, future Chris. I was just yawning. No, I was just yawning.
You yawning because you're sleepy, future Emmanuel. We are heading back to Las Vegas. We may try to hit up that Mount Charleston Canyon. I can't remember what the heck it's called. Oh, if we go, you'll see it. Mount Charleston, yeah. We might try to hit up that place since we'll probably be at Seven Magic Mountain at 3. And then after we go there, we can check into our hotel. We might walk the strip, but maybe not, because like...
I don't know about walking the strip.
Yeah, or like maybe, I don't know, walk around and see.
Oh, we'll see.
Yeah, because like, y'all, the thing about us is like, we're like old folks trapped in young folks' bodies. Like, we're homebodies. Like, this is a lot. That's why, like, anytime we go somewhere, our trips are like, you know, 2 to 4 days max, because I want to be home. You know, I want to see the sights. I want to do 1 or 2 things, but I also need to plan to rest. And we both are over that partying phase of life. So,
that's nice.
Yeah, it does look nice. But yeah, so I'm excited. We stopped and got gas, filled up the car, and got some Subway, and we are heading right along.
Sunlight. That's what the young kids be doing these days, y'all.
What?
Did we vlog when we was in here already?
No, I don't think we did.
All right, y'all. So we're in a hotel. Let me show y'all the views. The views from Vegas. There go the little Eiffel. You know we keep that Eiffel on us. You know what I'm saying? I cracked myself up. You got anything you want to say?
No. We just showed them around.
And this is our room. It's kind of messy.
Cause you know you gotta lay everything out before you organize. You know.
That's big facts.
It is time to go to bed. We are debating. It's 8:27. We are debating on if we even want to go to Zion tomorrow. We were thinking about getting an early flight home, but there's a 2-hour wait to speak to someone about that. So we're just gonna play it by ear. But I tell y'all, I'm tired. I am tired. To get some pictures, but look at this view, y'all. Like, thank goodness Emmanuel's comfortable driving, because there is no way. This is the edge. This is literally the edge. Like, there ain't no way. Ain't no way. But I'm glad to be here. We're about to hop back in the car and drive the rest of the way down, because we realized we did not follow the directions the lady gave us at the front. I think that right now we are actually going up the tunnel or something. The Zion Mount Carmel tunnel, which is not where we were meant to go. And I'm not a fan of heights anyway, so we're going back down. We're gonna find a trail. I'm gonna look for the Paris Trail. We're gonna try that because it's an easy hiking trail. You know, I like an easy hike. So it's us again. we're eagerly looking for the end of the Paris Trail. It's not been so bad though. There's lots of beautiful waterfalls and stuff on the way. I know. Yeah, but
how long we been walking?
I don't know. I feel like we've been walking for a while.
And
don't get me wrong, I like walking, but you know,
this walking is different.
Yeah, look at the sweat. Ooh,
glistening.
Yeah, but let's keep going. But yeah.
Oh, show the mountain.
Oh yeah, look at the mountain view, you guys. Look. Wow. This trip has taught me I really like being in nature, but I think there are some things that I would change. So, number one, we would pay more attention to the weather before we come, so we don't have to like buy hoodies and stuff. But I think also biking.
I think that would have been real fun.
Yeah, that would have been great to bike here because all this scenery and stuff is just so beautiful, and you can see more of it faster.
Wow, show this. Let's start right here.
Okay.
Look at this. Look at this view, you guys.
I feel like this camera really isn't doing the mountain views justice. But it's really nice. It looks surreal. And I think we would definitely come back here because there's so much to explore, but I think they don't have bike rentals here at Zion, but the park ranger told us they have some in town, and those could be expensive, but you know what? It just might be worth it. And this is like the perfect weather too, because I would definitely not want to be here if it were like super hot because my face burns easily.
Yeah.
And I don't really like the heat like that, But this is overall a great place. I think I would come back here.
Yeah, I would too.
Cause there's,
Nice.
it's
Next time we can go on the top of the mountain again.
Oh
We
no.
can actually finish and like.
Yeah,
go
look
through
at
it.
that, y'all. Look at that. This bird's crazy. That's right. Pull through the big toe. Yeah. Get the crevices. Yes, get the ash. That's right. We leave today. It is 5:30 a.m., which is like 8:30 when I get home. And we are ready to head out. Oh my goodness, we're ready to head out. It's been fun, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been fun, but we're ready to get back into the swing of things, ready to be home with our cats and our bed, and home is where the heart is, you know?
That's big facts.